I'm Keith Knapp, and our company is the Minnesota Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers Association. We're made up of about 1,000 insurance agencies throughout the state. We've got about, I want to say 6,000 independent insurance agents within the association. I'm in charge of the magazine that we put out. I'm in charge of the website that we have. Basically any sort of marketing piece, that's something that I do. Yeah, we had an old document management system about 5 years ago. We started with it, and it was just problem after problem with it. It was hard to set up, it was complicated to use. It kept breaking down. I mean, people would go to try to store a document and they couldn't do it, and so I'd have to call our technical support to try to understand why it wasn't working, and they'd have to reboot the system and kick it off again, and so it just became problem after problem to use, and so we had been using Solbrecht for other things, and they approached us with a solution, which was Laserfiche. And one of the concerns were, we had 8,000 documents, probably 100,000 pages, and gosh, are we going to have to keep the old system up so we can use the new system? And Solbrecht was able to convert all those documents over to Laserfiche for us. That was a huge plus for us. So we were able to just throw the old system away, have Laserfiche. We can get at all our old documents using Laserfiche now. It's so much easier. It's so more, what's the word? User-friendly, it's more intuitive. The old system, you almost needed to have a master's degree to be able to use it. It was very complicated and complex, and this Laserfiche is a lot easier. The conversion to Laserfiche, because we had an old system, it was a little bit of a challenge, to get things converted. So it took a little bit of time to have that happen. But once we got that done, it's been smooth sailing. So again, it was something I was a little nervous about because we were using an old system and our experience wasn't good. As Laserfiche, are we going to have the same problems? And it's night and day difference. I mean, it really is a great product. Laserfiche has been a better experience for my staff. It's been tremendous. I used to get constant calls. This isn't working, that isn't working, and I don't get those calls anymore. People are just doing what they need to do, able to retrieve the documents they need to retrieve. Yeah, it's working great. Hands down, I would recommend Solbrecht as a Laserfiche provider. They've been excellent. I've worked with a number of the staff members. They're very, very responsive, and yeah, they just do an amazing job for us.
Perfect.